2016 Lincoln MKC. We're going to change the air filter on today. This air filter style fits most Ford Lincolns, so Focus, Escape, MKC, a lot of different variations of models, but let's get to it. Obviously, first things first, we got 4 8mm screws around the perimeter. Go ahead and loosen those screws up. Then we're going to separate the top half of the air box from the main housing. You can see we had some critter debris in this box. Go ahead and take that air filter out. When you're putting the new air filter in, you're going to notice there's 2 tabs on the back side of the air filter housing here. So go ahead and route that back into the charge pipe there. And then you're going to push on the back side of that filter to get it to go behind those 2 tabs. You can kind of see here. I'm going to pull this back out and give you a glance. There's the 2 tabs that I'm talking about. Some air filters have a little finger that need to go down in there. This one does not. So go ahead and line that up in the main air inlet and then push in and then down. Make sure those fingers are on the outer edge of the filter case. And then to put the top side back on, there's actually a channel that goes around the perimeter of this box. You have to make sure this channel sits in properly, or else when you go to put it all back together, screws aren't going to fit right. It's going to have openings and eventually will warp. So what I like to do is start on the filter case side, put it in the ridge, and then slide the front side back down. So it does take a little bit of finagling sometimes. Usually they fall right in, but just make sure it slides all tight. And the screws should basically sit flush before you tighten them. Now, these are steel screws going into a plastic housing, so just snug, not super tight or you'll strip it out. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.